Good morning! Happy Monday! Uwi na sila ngayon, guys. Kain muna sila saglit. Ilutuan ko lang ng hotdog si Holly. Si John din, nag-toast na yun kanina. Naghahanap si John ng Vegemite. Next time, bili ako Vegemite. Wala na yung Vegemite.
Yeah, favorite can have Vegemite.
Yeah, kaya nga. Hindi kasi walang kumakain ng Vegemite sa bahay na to.
May maliit lang naman yun.
Kaya nga eh. Meron ako nung maliit. Feeling ko, tinapon ko. Binili ko yun para kay mama at kay ate, Ate Vic. Para ipatry ko. Hindi ko nga napatry. Tinapon namin ata. Kasi nga walang kakain nun. Sabi ko, meron sana kami.
Ang tagal din yan.
Yeah? Bakit ko kaya yung tinapon? Hindi ako kakain kasi may lunch kami, guys. Kina-ants. Mamaya. So, pag alis nito nila, alis na din kami siguro. So, kailangan ko na magbihis. Si Dan nakabihis na. Hello, good morning! Good morning, beautiful! Good morning! Tito John's leaving today. Tito John's going home. And Tita Manay. They're going home, Baba. You're gonna miss... I know. Ate Holly's going home. You look pretty. 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 Sus kabuyag. Kasiksi sa among hindi. Ay, ang kilikili. Agoy. Agoy. Hello. Agoy. Hello. Hello. Yummy. Let me see the kilikili. Hindi.
I love your eating.
Oh. I love you too, Kuya.
I love your eating.
Oh. Say, I love you too, Kuya.
I love your eating.
I love you, Kuya. He's a very loving Kuya, isn't he? I'm gonna show the guys the kilikili of my India. I'm gonna show the guys the kilikili. Sus, kabuyag niyo Inday, eh? The other one. 1, 2, 3. Oh no!
You're looking for your hair? Is it pain?
Magic bihis lang tayo, guys. Kasi lunch yung pupuntahan namin kina Ans. Malapit lang naman sila. So pag alis nila man ay dire-diretso na kami. Ano na namang susuotin natin today? Apakainit na naman. Apakainit ng panahon, mga guys. Like this weekend, this long weekend pala ngayon. So it's Monday pero walang pasok because it's Adelaide Cup, I believe. So walang pasok. Mag-bihis tayo. Ano ang ating Alright. Tutin ko lang to. Yung outfit na nasuot ko na alam kong it works. So this. And then, yep. These shorts. Alright. These shorts are from Zara. And then this top. Ang tagalan nitong top nito sa, oh my gosh, Forever 21. Sa US ko pa siguro ito nabili. Ang tagal na nun, guys. Kailan ba ako nasa US? Tagal na nun, before ko pa na-meet si Dan. Suotin ko lang yung same earrings na suot ko this weekend. Ito yung from Witchery. Yan lang siya, guys. Square siya, kakaiba siya, kaya ako siya binili. Inubad ko siya kagabi kasi medyo annoying siya pag natutulog. Tapos ayusin natin ang aking kabuhukan. It's tired. Oh no, you've got a bruise again.
Oh, I have too.
Yeah? You all got bruises. That's from playing a lot.
And it's bruises.
You do, yeah.
I have the bigger one.
That's alright.
I have the biggest one.
Yeah, you do have the biggest one. I need to tie your hair, Ayla, but play, come on. Because Holly's going soon.
Yay.
Keep playing.
Okay.
Because Holly's going soon.
Yay.
Oy. Careful.
Oh, I just said yay.
Yay. Ang cute-cute nilang tatlo. Oh. I need to tie your hair. Come in whenever you're ready. Yeah! You dizzy? Mamadali ako. Akala ko alis na kami agad. Maya pa pala kami. Kasi may isang oras pa. Magkape ako. Vietnamese coffee.
I did it already. How about you? Dancing. Dancing in the rain.
Dancing at 2. Vietnamese coffee.
You should try that.
It's really good.
It is.
It's Vietnam. You like sweet, right? That one is.
Yeah.
It is sweet, yeah. Sweet and strong.
We're doing. Tapos, yung coffee mo Vietnamese. Saan ka kumuha?
Binili ko sa Asian shop to. Tapos nung nag-Vietnam sila, Mace, binigyan din ako ng, mayroon pa akong 2 packs doon, hindi ko pa nagamit.
From Vietnam, talaga?
Kasi lagyan mo man yan ng tubig.
Powder.
Tapos yun na.
Black
Tapos yun na. Tito John's going home, baba.
Hello. Look, look,
I
look.
wanna see.
Be careful ha, it's hot there.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Hi, ate. Hindi, ate. Be careful with the ice, baby, ha?
Ayan na, ano na yan siya dyan.
So yun lang yan lang yung tubig, hanggang dun lang ang tubig. Hindi ka na
Tapos
magdala.
sobrang daming ice.
Ice.
Kasi ice coffee siya.
Ice coffee. So parang yung tubig mo nasa
So
ice.
yung tubig ko, yeah.
So binili mo lang yung cup. Tapos ikaw
Oo,
nasa
yan. Ito lang. Tapos akin tong mason dyan. Aww.
Alright, come say goodbye to everyone.
Ate!
Let's go.
Say bye. Say buddy.
Bye.
Give an eye hug as well.
Tita Manay.
Bye bye. See you later. Bye bye.
Tito
Bye
John.
bye.
Tito John.
Bye bye.
Just a gentle cuddle to Tito John.
Kano dito dyan, ate?
Pakainit.
Got you something?
Ayan yung mga bata. Oh, gusto na pumasok.
Yeah, it's so hot.
It's hot.
See you guys.
Okay, ingat. It's alright. Ingat. My gosh, ang init. Stay cool. Bye.
No.
Yeah, knock. Go, knock. Maybe call them.
Andrea!
Have you knocked? He's gonna press it.
Don't press that button.
Hello, don't press that button, they said.
Press it. Go, go, Theo.
Press it. Oh, sister.
You won't press it.
He's listening.
You're gonna get him to press it?
Oh, good job, Alo.
You can press the button if you want. You can press the button if you want, but it's fine. It's for the whole
Isla, you press it.
society,
Isla.
humanity, so...
Press it hard.
If I just...
Was that fun? Was that cool? He knows where the toys are. Oh, you got Spider-Man. Yeah.
Spider-Man.
Yay.
Minions,
Minions.
yeah.
You gotta put it back before we leave, okay?
Look at that, Mommy.
I know. That's pretty cool, Alo. Ah, that's cool.
I
Yay! That's good. Good coordination, that is.
She got a 4.
Is she?
Yeah, he.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
4, yeah.
But it's good coordination.
Yeah,
I think.
it's pretty cool.
More
That's a stretchy one.
What are you going to do? Arlo, we're going to say it's no Milo. No Milo, stop.
Yeah, you tell him no.
It's ready.
It's ready for you. Oh no, it's her turn to press.
These little lines is a different universe.
Come press it.
I'll try. Okay,
Thank you.
you can't really press it because you press
Yeah,
it.
hang on.
Do you want me to see if you're able to do it?
Yes, please. Thanks.
I haven't even tried it yet.
No Milo. Come on. They're waiting for you to press it. It won't scare you.
It's not gonna be scared.
No, don't be scared.
It's just gonna go fine.
Yeah.
Mommy, come.
Okay, I'm here.
Mummy,
Don't be
come.
scared. It's fine.
Press it.
No, you press it.
Wait,
Go, Isla.
We need to sit it up.
You press it.
Oh, they're still going.
You press it.
The toys, go.
Cool, isn't it? Come you press it.
Anna.
Islo, come on.
Yeah, show me.
There is.
Looks,
Daddy told me to draw a baby warrior.
that is a baby warrior. That's really good, man. Well done.
Mummy, yours.
Show me yours, baby. Oh my gosh, I love your drawing too, Isla. You two are really good drawers. I know. Yeah, it's lunchtime now. So do you want to eat now?
That one, man.
That one. Thank you. Lasagna, yummy. Hello. 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 Let me see teeth. Where's your teeth? Where's your teeth? Hello.
You know, pull the trigger to hit it, like push the trigger.
That here? That there? Is that the trigger? Oh,
Yeah, there you go.
okay.
Oh, that's a lot more watermelon.
Okay.
Press A.
You can buy
I
some.
can't see A, sorry. No, I can't. This one?
We just go home, guys. Ang lamig ng bahay namin. But this is way better than outside. My gosh, apakainit sa labas. Sobrang init. Like, makalabas ka lang ng bahay konti. Sobrang init. Feel na feel mo yung init. And then, pag nasa car na, okay na kasi yung AC. Pag off ng car, agad-agad. Tapos pag open mo ng car, sobrang init agad. Like, sa garage lang ha. Papasok lang ng bahay. Sobrang init. Feel na feel mo yung init ba? Kahit nasa ilang segundo lang yun. Paglabas ng car, pagpasok sa bahay. Sobrang init. Sobrang sakit ng init. What do you wanna listen to? Feliz Navidad? Pauwi kami. Malapit lang yung bahay ni Kambali. Pauwi kami. And Ayla requested Feliz Navidad. Nasa Christmas songs pa din yung mga anak ko, guys. Hanggang ngayon. So, pauwi. Nakikinig kami kay Feliz Navidad. Eh, hindi nga ganun kalayo yung bahay. So, hindi namin natapos yung song. So, sabi niya, Mami, tapusin natin sa bahay. Sige, tayo na talaga ang mag-Feliz Navidad. March na. Pero Pasko pa din yung ating mga kanta. Anong ginagawa ni Arlo Boy? Arlo, where did you put your helicopter? Oh my gosh, is it about to take off? Is it? Did you have fun, guys? Sobrang saya nila sa bahay ng auntie nila. Sobrang saya. Yan na nga, iba na nga yung damit ni Ayla. Kasi naglaro sila ng water pistol sa labas. Si Arlo, yan din yung sinuot niya. Basang-basa yan actually. But iniwan lang namin sa labas. Sobrang init na. Sobrang init nung pauwi na kami. Sinuot ko agad sa kanya. Lang lang lang. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año. Felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Tururut. Feliz Navidad. Tararararat. Feliz Navidad, prospero año, felicidad. I wanna wish wish you a Merry Christmas. Tayo na talaga. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Meron pala akong mga binili kahapon na hindi ko napakita sa inyo kasi diniretso ko siya dun under the stairs kasi may mga regalo nga kay Arlo, di ba, nabili natin. But may mga nabili akong damit, guys, na magagamit natin sa Bali. At saka, ay, agoy. Yeah. Hello, baby. Can mommy put you in your bed? Yeah. The house is cold, Mama. I love this house. Is it cold? Are you happy? Hello, beautiful. Hello. Hello. You love the camera, don't you? Yes, you do. Hello. Look at you. Aww. Are you still sleepy? Mommy put you in bed? Dito ko tinago ang mga... Agoy, meron pa pala akong mga package na i-open mga guys. So yung iba dito, iwan natin dito kasi ayaw nating makita muna ni Dudong. But i-hold ko yung iba. And then may mga boxes pa pala ako dyan. I-hold ko din yan. So iwan ko muna yung iba dito. May papakita ako sa inyo. Sobrang cute. Pero huwag ka munang magpakita. Diyan ka muna. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, akin ba to? Ito hindi para sa akin to. Para kay Miss. Ito. And ito. Let's do whole, guys. Do you want me to do the whole day with you? Yes? Do you want me to stay here with you, Lang Lang? Do you want Mama to stay here? Mama can do the whole here. That's no problem at all. That's no problem at all. Or you're sleepy. You're sleepy. You wanna go to bed already. Alright, let's go. Come to Mama, Lang Lang. Let's go, Lang Lang. Bedtime for my baby, Lang Lang. Joke lang ang lahat. Patulogin ko muna to si Inday. Ready na ako mag-haul eh. Pero si Indy hindi pa ready. Wait sa guys. Ayaw matulog ni Indy. Indy is awake, guys. She is awake. She is with her siblings. Let's do a... Ala, nandito pala eh. Isa to sa grocery kahapon. Buti na lang hindi pagkain. Hala, alis na sila. Punta sila kina Sharon. Hindi na kami sasama ni Indy kasi sobrang init. Hindi din naman kasi makakapul yung bata. Ang dami kong kailangan gawin. Tapos, hopefully maka-edit ako ng konti. Hindi na aabot talaga. So, I'm just not gonna pressure myself. Pero, magsiswimming sila kasi sobrang init nga. I-hold na natin to. So, yan. Nabili namin to sa Woolies kahapon. And then, they gave us a lot of these. A lot. And then, sa Forever New, kung napanood nyo yung vlog kahapon, we got these, guys. Ako at saka si Manay. Tinry ko siya, tapos sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. So, sabi ko kay Manay, itry mo kasi ang ganda ng fit. Tinry niya, and napabili din siya, mga sis. This is from Forever New. So, kung nasa Australia kayo, try nyo tingnan sa shop. Kung meron pa, nakasale siya ngayon. Ito yung ano nila. Cynthia na petite linen wide leg pant. Ang ganda ng fit. So, kung interesado kayo, itry nyo guys. Kasi, ang ganda ng fit niya talaga. And then, sa Cotton On Kids, nakasale na yung mga pang baby. From $30, 15 na lang siya for Indy. Look how cute! Indy can wear this to Bali. O, diba? Ang ganda. Tapos yung likod, oh. Tak! Ang ganda, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Speaking of Bali, may nabili ako sa... I got the shopping from yesterday.
Why? And your dog.
Your nails are really long. Can mommy cut it before you go?
No.
Here, you want these? Oh, here. Play with it here. The back. May nabili akong skirt na maganda. Crocheted siya na skirt. Alright. Ay, dyan ka talaga naman. Maganda siya guys kasi yung length niya hindi ganun kahaba. So, meron siyang slit sa likod. Maganda siya pang resort wear lang. Ayan, oh. Tapos, yung length niya nga, hindi ganun kahaba. Tamang-tama lang yung haba niya sa akin. Nakasale na din to. Hindi ko alam kung petite to, pero double XS yung size. Yung mga napili ko sa Sports Girl, I think nakasale na siya tapos further 30% off pa siya. And then ito, so yun, at saka itong dalawa yung napili ko. Tinry ko to, ang ganda nito, kapartner dun. Yan na top, mahaba. Maganda siya pang pair sa shorts or sa skirts or sa pants. And I just got the same top in black. Kasi nagustuhan ko ng bongga yung fit niya. So yun yung shopping natin kahapon. Ito, ano to? From Amazon. Ano to? Ay! Okay, yep. Naalala ko na. Regalo ko pala. And then ito, I know what it is. Ay, ang ganda! Uy, ang ganda! May mga nakasale na bedsheet, mga quilt cover sa Target, guys. Muslin yung material niya. So, manipis lang siya. It's very nice and soft. And ang ganda ng kulay, ang fresh lang. So, this is for our bed. Yung malaking bed. And then this one is a package from Canada. This is from La Prissy. Kasi nag-message siya sa akin. Sabi niya, ate, pasendan ulit kita. Anong gusto mo? Pinapili niya ako. Oh my gosh! May mga pangkain, mga guys. Ayan. It's from Punam. Again, La Prissy on Instagram. So, binibenta niya tong mga to sa Canada at saka sa Philippines. So, kung interesado kayo guys, check her out. I will leave her IG handle on the screen.
There's one here.
Kids, look!
What's that?
Do you want this?
That.
What's that?
That's
What's that? Hello. Watch out. Do you want to sit down here? Sit here.
What's that?
That is a star. It's a star. Hmm? It is chocolate, yeah. It's a chocolate star. Do you want to try it? Yeah. Try and let me know if it's good. Yeah. That looks good. How about is it good? Oh, share with Ayla. Oh my God, ang cute ng bag. Alright. Do you want me to share? Do you want me to open this for Ayla? Alright. Can you not make a mess? No, don't make a mess, okay? Don't eat on the bed. Just call Ayla and eat here on the stairs, okay? Nagustuhan ng bata. Nakita niyo naman. She sent these. Thank you, babe. Hala, Ayla! Come here! I'll show you something! Oh my gosh, magugustuhan to ni Ayla. Nahihilig siya sa Hello Kitty. Itong mga characters na to. So, thank you, babe. I'm not sure if she's selling these as well. Guys, look at that! Binibenta niya to, guys, ha? Sephora favorites. Lip icons. Pinupost niya naman yung mga binibenta niya. So, please check her Instagram. Lalo na kung nasa Pilipinas kayo and mahilig kayo sa mga products na available like sa Canada. Lululemon bags! So, siya yung nagbigay sa akin ng gamit na gamit ko na black nito. As in, gamit na gamit ko talaga siya. Halos yun na yung ginagamit ko talaga. It is my go-to bag. Kung ayaw kong mag-isip, nandun na yung mga gamit ko, yung keys ko, yung cards ko, nandun na. So this one is the white version of the black one that I use all the time. Ang ganda nito, guys. As in, perfect pang airport, perfect pang travel, perfect for everyday. As in, pang school pick up, pang sports ni Arlo, laging ito yung dala ko. And look at this, guys. Look at this! The mini one! Ang cute ng mini! Nung tinanong niya ako kung anong gusto ko, sabi ko lang, yung white version ng Black Bay. Kasi gustong-gusto ko siya. Ginagamit ko nga kasi siya lagi. Maraming salamat, Bay. Check natin siya, guys. Support natin siya. Sana makatulong itong aking pa-haul. Ay, ang perfect ng maliit. Ang perfect ng kulay. Ang ganda, guys. Ay, ang cute! Uy, ang cute! Meron siyang pocket sa likod. And meron siyang main compartment na ganyan. Meron ding mga maliliit na pockets sa loob. Ang perfect nito. Pwede mo siyang habaan hanggang ganito kahaba. Pero pwede mo din siyang paiklain. And yung strap niya is very secure. So, hindi siya yung klase ng strap na kapag pinaiklian mo, bababa lang ng kanya kasi it's very secure. Ayun, ang ganda. Uy, ang ganda ng maliit. I highly recommend the maliit. Yeah. Thank you, Bella Prissy. Maraming salamat, Be. Available sa kanya. Sa mga taga-Pilipinas, available din, guys. Aalis na yun maya-maya ang aking pamilya. I-fold ko yung laundry. Ito yung nilondry natin kahapon. Yan, nilondry ko yan nung Friday ata. Or Thursday pala, Thursday. So, I'm gonna watch Married at First Sight habang tinutupi ko tong mga to. Napakadami kong 2pm. Malalaki pa pati. Si Daddy pala naglagay nito sa dryer. Nilagay niya lahat sa dryer. Yung iba dapat hindi i-dryer eh. Dapat ihang lang. Thank you.
Daddy!
You're naughty.
No, you're not.
You're naughty.
No, all from the yes.
Arlo's a good boy.
Say hello, Mummy.
Good boy.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh, no. Oh.
You always love your daddy.
Okay.
Your mummy's more missing.
No, higher.
What's that?
Where the goggles are. Where the goggles are.
Right here.
Yeah. Now, big jump. Now, jump in. No, no, no. Jump. Jump in. Good boy.
Good boy.
Okay. Paddle. Kick your legs. Again. Yeah, do it again. Good boy. Again.
Okay.
Last time. Good job, Arlo. Good swimming. Kick the legs. Big jump. I want to see a really big jump. Yeah, do it like a superhero. Yeah, superhero jump. Good job, boy. Okay, go swim back, buddy. Swim back. Just show Mummy.
Say hello, mummy.
Hello, Mommy.
Love you, mummy.
I love you, Mommy. I love you, Mommy.
What was that, Arlo? What did you say?
I love you.
Again.
Okay.
Let's see this. That's it. Close your mouth and keep on swimming. Arlo, when you jump, close your mouth. Don't leave your mouth open, okay?
I like him. I'm thinking.
You're sinking?
Yeah.
Okay. That's it.
Again.
Again, last one, okay? Do a big one, like a superhero jump, okay?
Like this.
I like that.
Like.
No, it's a wasp. It's
No,
not
it's a bee. No,
It's not. It's a wasp.
oh, that was a bee that's dropped.
But it's not.
It's a wasp.
Again. Again. Again.
Off again.
Again. Again to me. And me.
Wait, Arlo, wait until Poppy's finished.
Yep,
Okay.
okay.
You got
Hello
that
there.
now.
Hello there. Hello, what's
Hello, friends.
Last one, last one.
Again. You're doing it.
Last one, Arlo.
Again.
No, no, no. Poppy, just stop. He's going to try to wear you out.
Getting all dizzy.
Call me when you're free and we can start our own party. So let's go live it up like it's 1999. like how she makes you so happy. I'll listen patiently for you before I leave. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversation.